Connect your icon to the car and start Car's software. Select the car in the software and click ADAS under Type of System. Click Rear View Camera, Area View 360 degree, then click Calibrating 360 degree Camera System, ACS Cars under Functions. Now you can run function. Read the help text to perform the calibration. Prepare the calibration mats according to the help text. Click Start to begin the calibration and follow the instructions. You can see the calibration process in the car's display. Now you have completed the 360-degree camera calibration.